All right, bro. This is the first time I'm ever going live on YouTube. So I don't mean today. I don't even know if people are here or not. Anyways, let me share. Oh, please, guys, is anybody here? If you're here, please let me know. I don't, I don't really know how this works, but this is the first time I'm going live. Okay, people they here active. All right, we're active. No cap. Yeah, see fine. So all right, yeah. So um, okay, so I want to share the link to this stuff, and I think the link is also on the community. So please, um, help me share the link also to your people. Let them join. Okay. So I'm doing that. I'm doing mine here from this end, so you can do that too from your end. And please, you can hear me, right? Can you guys hear me? Ah, I say, I'm on the ginger me. Okay, so yeah, so today basically our topic for today is market insight. So I'm going to be sharing the market insight expectations for the week, right? And probably for today, and maybe expectations for maybe the bull run. So we're going to be doing this particular live streaming show every week by the special grace of God on this. Yeah, we're going to be doing that every week on this channel, right? Tomorrow we'll have another type of live streaming show. That one is going to be on another platform. Okay, so yeah, all right. So let's go. So today, we'll start by looking at Bitcoin. Okay, I think everybody wants to know what Bitcoin wants to do because with BTC, with Bitcoin, and with Bitcoin, Bitcoin is just like as if would I say every other project is like dependent on Bitcoin. So if Bitcoin is moving, we all know that every other project is gonna move, So yeah, so I dey see plenty hailing for here. Clear road. My bosses are active. Okay, yeah. So please share this link. Share it to your people. Let them join. Who they Zuzu, the biggest Odogu. We can hear you. I swear, my people they here. All right. So yeah. So share this link. Share it to your people so that everybody's gonna get active. Okay. See, I came back from the gym. I've been working to this point just to be able to serve you all. Okay. So yeah. All right. So I'm gonna share my screen. Um, So yeah, I'm going to share my screen with you guys so that we can be able to. Yeah, so I'm going to share my screen with you guys so that we'll be able to discuss about BTC, okay, and then other stuff. So please just give me a second. I'm trying to put on my trading view here. Sorry, the next ones, the next, will I say the next, what do they call it? Live sessions. They're going to be smoother than this, please. Yeah, this is like the first I'm ever doing, the first YouTube live I'm ever doing. So I don't, I'm not even really, I'm just figuring things out myself here. So, but the next ones are going to be smoother, trust me, especially on YouTube, okay? So, yeah. Um, so I'm trying to get Bitcoin chart to pop up so that I will, you know, show you all everything. So, yeah, bro. We have 27 people here. This is mad, though. And on our first day, this is very. I love the energy. Okay, so please, like I said, please, our the next one is going to be smoother, please. This is the first time I'm attempting this stuff I'm doing now, so pardon me if it's not going smooth now. As I'm talking to you now, I'm trying to. I had to use a different browser to be able to access this YouTube live. So I'm trying to, you know, put trading view. Okay, I think we're almost there now. 30 people. Wow, amazing. This is crazy. So guys, please pardon me. I'm almost there. Almost there, please. Almost there. I'm trying to get this trading view to pop up here. Okay. Mm, markets. We have crypto markets. Are you shooting me? Oh boy, crazy. So yeah, so God, I finally figured it out, bro. That was crazy, man. All right. So our chat right now. Oh yeah. So yeah. Um. So please, the aim of this stuff, the aim of what I'm doing right now, is to the aim of what I'm doing right now is to teach you people um some certain stuff like how the things you should pick out from this particular video is please, or from this particular live stream is please, um um if you are, I don't put this, okay, so let's say if you are really observant, you will figure out how I analyze the market myself. Okay, you figure out how I view the market. You figure out, oh, look at what this guy looks out for in the market. Guys, are you with me? Am I clear enough? Please, am I clear enough? Are you with me, please? So you figure out how I analyze the market. You figure out, okay, these are what and what. So let's f go. I cannot use the other word. I cannot. Yes. Also, I saw a message now from Moses Okaba. He said we for future references. Yes, it's going to be safe for future references because so here, right here, in fact, there's a playlist for it. Okay, so like I said, we're going to evolve into another level right now. Okay, and yeah, so this is part of the plan, and all right, you can come back to the playlist for future references and all of that. It's part of the plan. Okay, so let's go. So this is Bitcoin on a daily time frame, and on a daily time frame, there was this trade. There was this trade we lost one time, and it pained me very. Second to the last Bitcoin long we did, it pained me very well. Because of what I knew Bitcoin was bullish. We were supposed to buy, but the bot there now is the bot there now is that it kicked us out before it. So Bitcoin on, let me use a daily time frame. Let me use a daily time frame. So Bitcoin on a daily time frame. For those of you that know or understand how I analyze the market or how I trade or that have been studying me, you will know that I do more of patterns, chart patterns, right? So when Bitcoin came down to this zone, I knew here was the support. So I'm going to mark this support, then I'm going to try to maneuver. Then the next one, our next stream is going to be smoother than this. Trust me, like way, way smoother. By then, I would have set up stuff, right? So please be patient with me today. So this was the support here, right? So a lot of people Bitcoin coming to $85,000, right? But then when I had to analyze the market and I knew that okay, this was the support. That was why I said we should start buying Bitcoin when I said we should buy Bitcoin, right? But now it didn't we got kicked out. For those of us that entered with the price I put, we got kicked out before we bought. Now there's something happening here, and that thing happening here, a lot of people are not going to see how resistance they'll turn to a support very soon. This is our bottom two to have a breakout. A breakout might come up to here, a breakout might be here. Now let me use this point at number four. They will have a retest back to the neckline. The bull run all of us have been waiting for. The only place, the only place, oh my word, bro, you see why I said, like, can you imagine? I don't know how will I remove this thing then? This is crazy. See, guys, please, I think you know what's going to happen. So for us to have a smoother, for us to have a smoother stream, just be patient with me. Just give me. Some people here will not copy my password. So yeah, just give me a second. I'm going to log a second and we're active. We're going to get to active now. But I believe that already some of us are learning some stuff here. So I'm going to do this and I'm going to do um, also um, ETH and then we up. So just a second, guys. Okay. Yeah, so thank you so much for your thank you so much for your patience. I'm almost there. Please, I'm almost there. So sorry we're experiencing this, like I said. It's our first streaming show. So you know, I've never done a good streaming show before, so I'm sorry that you guys have to see this wahala with me. Hey well. Okay. Okay, so yeah, we're active. So um let me start my screen broadcast again. Okay. So this is it. So now let me do what I did again. What I said yeah, you see my colors are here now. The only thing that's remaining now is that I need to change this thing to dark mode. Let me do that right now. Where is dark theme? Yeah, I love it being dark. Yeah, good. Perfect. So yeah, for those of you that are just joining now, I was explaining what we should be expecting from Bitcoin. For what it is, Bitcoin has established a perfect support here. So this support up to this point here. So you can see resistance at this place. Let me mark it out to the circle. Resistance here. That's a resistance. This is a resistance here, or resistance of the price. And yeah, we have another resistance showing up here. Right? Now, if the buying pressure is much, this resistance will be broken. That is this local resistance. And once this local resistance is broken and closed, and the candle closed above here, what I'll be expecting is to take an entry at this neckline. That's the second orange box circle here at this zone, which is around the zone of the current market price now. And I'm going to long my first take profit. That is for us that are traders. I'll get to investors now that are traders. My first take profit will be at the peak of this place. But then for against the bull run, if I want to invest professionally, not just going to the market, after this breakout and retest, I will hold from here to the top of the bull run. Now there's a tool I wanted to show you guys. Let me delete all of this stuff. There's a tool I wanted to show you guys. See where Bitcoin. Some of you are going to copy my strategy here on my whatever, but it's okay. So there's a tool I want to show you guys, which is my fibs. My fibs are epic fibs. So my fibs, I'll start my fibs from here and push it up here. So this was the reason why normally 61 is the golden zone. This was the reason why I was saying that we are going to 82k, we're going to be tested. But on a daily, right? On a daily, BTC have shown support around 92,000 price. Ewo, can you guys see my screen now? I'm just seeing. I was on the app since. Please, can you guys see my screen now? Can you guys see my screen now? No, okay. I'm on. Okay, just my face. Amazing. Okay, so let me try and share the screen again. So now, can you guys see my screen now? Can you see my screen now? Okay, my screen is showing now. Amazing. Okay, cool. Let me go back to what I was saying. It is this Nigeria network. Ah, shit. Okay, so um, that was crazy. So let me come again. So I'm saying this. I said on a daily. Let me go back to the daily. Please, what was the last thing? What was the last thing? What was the last thing you guys saw, please? Crazy. No, we have different stuff for TikTok. Everything will have different stuff, please. We'll have different stuff. We'll conquer this. This is the first one. So mistakes are challenges are allowed. It's tech. Challenges are allowed. So please. Okay. Crypto Bill said I was talking about local support. Okay, cool. Mr. Clement, if you had read the what we lined out, you will see that there's different programs for different places. Okay. So, but right now, my screen can show, right? My charts are showing, right? Okay. Okay. Even my WhatsApp safe. Now, so share your screen. They see for WhatsApp. Wahala dey. Okay. so, so yeah, no, back to it. So I was saying something. I said I trade with pattern. I trade just pattern. So sometimes some of you will be like, price of Bitcoin is so as a trader, I'm expecting Bitcoin. This is the move I'm expecting Bitcoin to make. So I'll put my entry here, and right, if Bitcoin does this move, it's going to give us 100% profit using a 10x leverage. If Bitcoin retests this place, at this place where Bitcoin is trying to retest, or is going to retest, if the buying pressure is not much, is that Bitcoin is going to retest its support here. And this support aligns with another confirmation on my Fibonacci. My 61.8 is called the golden zone, $5,000. And at $95,000, if Bitcoin retraces down to this place, a lot of your idolos and all that. Let me even be checking the comment section before I start seeing I cannot hear you. So if Bitcoin retests of your idolos, will start screaming that Bitcoin is dumping. So I said if Bitcoin retests this and Bitcoin starts if Bitcoin is trying to retest this zone, right, the $95,000 zone, right, a lot of your idolos are going to start saying, Bitcoin is crashing. Sell your Bitcoin. Everybody sell your Bitcoin. Everybody sell your Bitcoin. It's just a retest, and that retest is going to pump Bitcoin like crazy. So my fibs is showing me that I should be taking profit by 104, but because of the season we're in, Bitcoin is going to pump. Now, a lot of people, some of us don't follow international news. I'm going to make a content. After this, I'm going outside to shoot the content, right? And that content is about Donald Trump and what his effect in the crypto space. So a lot of people are going to start buying Bitcoin massively from this week to next. Donald Trump will be installed on, I mean, will be inaugurated, I mean to say, as the United States president on 20th of this month. That's next week, next 2 weeks Monday. So from now to next week's Monday, I'm expecting a lot of bullish, which is aligning with the charts here. So if this retest happen, then boom. But if the buying pressure is too much, please guys, are you with me? Are you with me, please? This YouTube life is, but I like it. So let's keep moving. So, but if the buying pressure, okay, cruise, cool. So if the buying pressure is way massive, right? If the buying pressure is way massive, then this is what will then happen. Let me delete this and show you. If the buying pressure, let me just mark it out of trade. This local resistance will be broken, and when it's broken, you should then be expecting a retest down here. Then we are off. If it breaks above here, no problem, but will not enter from here. Enter from the current price of Bitcoin to long Bitcoin. There is no confirmation. If it returns down to here, it's very good. In fact, it's supposed to even do that. In fact, I'm betting it's going to do that. But if the buying pressure is too much, you guys, um, before I started seeing your network is not good, your network is not good. Please, thank you very much. There's something I need to say with you, DC. Yes, biggest DC. Cool. Please, I don't like yes, sir. Yes, boss. Yes, this. Yes, that. Please, I don't like that. I like yes, DC. Yes, Dream Chaser. Because I wear Dream Chaser on my head. Like, you get me? So, yes, let's go. So, please, guys, you're with me, right? So, now let me show you what BTC is. Which I Sailor is buying today. I've now taught you guys to forget about this Sailor guy. Oluwasegun. Justina called me biggest this year. This one sweets me. All right. Okay. So yeah. So now I wanted to show you guys this on the weekly. This is why if you're not buying now, your own don't do what, your own don't finish. Mata mata. So I'm like, bro, no, I'm not gonna sell again. Time to buy. That's for investment. I started dropping a lot of investment opportunities for you guys. Is because of this, right? Now, normally 61 is the golden zone. Here, 61 is the golden zone. So from here, you expect a pullback to this place, a pump. But these things happen. It's respected in, let me just use the word, a normal this stuff. Now let me show you historically. All right, historically. Now see, because that's what candlestick is for. I'm not going to say much here because if you want more, you come to class. Now, see what BTC did from this place to this place is my Fibonacci. Guys. Is that not mad? Imagine you have the skill, you can be able to do this stuff. Is that not mad? Like 100% pump on spot, entry there with a 10x, 5x. Share you know sharp. Guys, please, are you following? Be like na enter I won't do that 1 week. Can you see my chart there? Can you see my chart? Okay, it said I'm cracking it. So I said, now look at what I just drew here. Now I said using my Fibonacci, you see that from the down from the 100 to the zero, that's from the top to the from the swing low to the swing high. Then my 61 is my golden zone. You can see how, and then he gave a 84% pump to the take profit. 84% pump to the take profit is mad. Then imagine it did 100% pump. So imagine BTC doing 2x and you could catch this pump. But right now, this second pump, now a lot of people are waiting for it at 61. That's the next. You can see my next Fibonacci at the right hand side. A lot of people are waiting for it at 61. But at that 61, if you then check it daily, you then realize that on a daily there's a strong support there, and there wants to be another bullish, like break of structure, bullish break of structure. Right now, according to Fibonacci, according to Fibonacci, according to Fibonacci, we are supposed the according to my Fibonacci is at $134,000 per Bitcoin. My question to you now is, would you rather buy Bitcoin now? Right? Will you rather buy Bitcoin now, or will you take the risk of waiting for it to retrace to 80 something, that is 82,000, 80,000 before you buy? If you buy now, let us do this math together. If, for instance, you buy Bitcoin now, right? If you buy Bitcoin from the current, so guys, if you buy Bitcoin now from the current market price and you hold it to 130 something thousand, it's almost a 40% profit on Bitcoin if you buy now, right? So will you rather miss a 40% pump because you're expecting a, I don't know, let me check how many percent retracement that is. Will you rather miss a 40% pump, right? Will you rather miss a 40% pump? Will you rather miss a 40% pump because you're waiting for a 16%? Now, close your laptop, close your app, and wait for your take profit at 40%. Which will you rather do? And trust, and mind you, as you saw in this chart, in the former Fibonacci, you can see that Bitcoin rose above is 61. So on this other chart, the 100k or more is there. So which will you rather do? So Samado concept say, I'd rather wait for it to break the resistance or make a retracement, then buy from the support. Good strategy. But what when the bull run? So obviously, midterm we are very bullish. So what if it makes a massive impulsive move that you cannot get an entry, just breaks the resistance up, so you miss the bull run? Crypto Bill said, for me, BTC created an airbag at below 88K down to 77K. I don't know what an airbag means. Maybe mean imbalances. Maybe that's what it means. Um, I rather wait. I go. LX something say I go wait. Okay, cool. That makes sense. But then this is what we should be expecting from Bitcoin. Um, yeah, Morningstar on a weekly. Morningstar means we are flying up. Yeah, how? What the hell? Both of us did that in together. Apex Realtors. Yeah, Morningstar means we are flying. We're actually flying. We're going to fly. It's going to be. I don't have big money, so I'm not investing in Bitcoin. I'm actually investing in other projects. So if Bitcoin is doing a 40% pump, altcoins are known to be thrice, twice, 4 times, 10 times as volatile as Bitcoin. So yeah, I'm going to look for altcoins that will make me very rich. Yes, Pons NG said I feel it's better to buy now than to make a 40% profit than to miss out on the trade. Yes, because for sure it will pump. It's not like as if it might not pump. It's not like as if it might pump, it might not. For sure, when the bull run is going to pump. So I rather, in fact, when I see that it's 16%, as an investor, I'm talking as an investor now. As an investor, I rather wait for it to, if it retraces with that 16%, I will buy some more at that point. Do you understand? Than to miss the entire bull run. So now, what I'm trying to say is that we are very, very, very bullish. Hey, extremely bullish. Now, let me show you guys ETH. Honestly, I want to show you guys a lot of stuff here, but then I'm not gonna lie. This this network they frustrate me like mad. Now with ETH will so fly, and ETH is ready to fly. So ETH came very close. Can you see it here? Very close to 61, but it did not touch 61. But to me, ETH has tested its golden zone. Now, from this point onwards, for investors, ETH, I don't want to use the word most because most is like sounding ultimate, but ETH from 61, all right, is giving us 72% pump on ETH is confirmed, not on when here, bro. So let's say you don't want to buy it, bro. If you enter Ethereum, if you enter ETH trade with 2x leverage now from the current market price, right? You see what I just did here now? For 3%, you enter with 2x without stop loss. Let's say you don't have any money, nothing, without stop loss, you enter with 2x. Please, I beg, they follow me before person go say they don't hear me again. Guys, are you with me? Please, if you're with me, say yes, DC, yes, DC, yes, DC. Can you see what I'm doing here? Guys, nobody reply me. Oh. Can you guess what I'm doing here? So, me as the best, number one dream chaser, I tell you, if you take if you take ETH trade at its current market price with a 2x leverage, you can never lose that trade. Come the next bear market. If you enter with 2x leverage, come the next bear market, say you enter coma now, wake up for the next bear market, you can never lose that trade. The reason is this: nobody is going to see ETH out. Anytime ETH goes back to 1005, right? 1005, know that crypto don't get serious problem. Okay, I tell you. So now, okay, so for you to if losing for you to lose this trade, ETH has to come to 1008. Sorry, at 1008, ETH is not coming to 1008. It cannot come to 1008 at this point in time in the evolution of cryptocurrency space. It cannot come again. But let's say you see these levels: 23, 38, 50, 61, 78, 88. I call them different buy zones, right? So let's say you enter, you have $1,000. You enter with $500 here, 2x. If it comes to 50, you enter with $100. If it comes to 61, you enter with $100. If you come to 78, you enter $100. For instance, at 27, my bro, you are going to win this trade at, see, for what it is. I'm expecting, I'm not going to lie, let me use a monthly time frame. Let me use a monthly time frame to do this stuff now. So, on ETH, right? On ETH, see what I'm expecting on ETH. So from the down part of had our retest here around the golden zone, in fact, a little bit below the golden zone. Now, that was bull on, we had a bear. Now another bull is coming. Now from this bull, we're going to scatter this resistance. Come up close to the first one, we did not, we came down. We are here again. We're going to break this stuff. Now, so what I'm trying to tell, I'm trying to give you a new price target using a monthly time frame, right? We'll take profit on a monthly time frame is 118%. So if you're looking for a comfortable 2x, is it 2x? No, 3x. If you're looking for a comfortable 3x, 200% is 3x, right? If I'm not mistaken. So if you're looking for a comfortable 3x profit, then please just long ETH with 2x leverage and close your laptop or close your app, close your Bybit, close your Wix, and yeah. So guys, what's the time right now? 13:45. Yeah. So please, I'll be attending to questions. Please, just type your questions ASAP, 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 like quick. So in the next 15 minutes, I'm done with this. Okay, I need to go and shoot content. So please, okay. Any questions? Whoa, you guys cannot hear me. So guys, any question, please? So, anyways, wait, let me be sure. Let me text someone that's live here. Let me know if you guys can actually hear me. No, the sell order, Moses, the sell order is a scalp trade. The sell order is a scalp trade. Hopefully, we're going to win that trade. Okay. Yeah, the sell order is just a scalp trade, Moses. Yes, pause NG. If you enter ATH trade now with 2x, you are going to win. Trust me. No stop loss. Oh. No stop loss. You are trading. There are people like banks trade like that and all that. Yeah? So no stop loss. Okay. Is the short on ETH still valid? Yes, that short is a scalp trade. You just do, like I told you, look what I'm expecting. I'm expecting Bitcoin to retrace a bit, right? To pump. But all those are noise when you're looking at it from a weekly time frame. So weekly time frame, monthly time frame, you're not seeing all those noise, you're just seeing another type of structure. And mind you, a very, very big news is coming. And that big news is that big news is Donald Trump inauguration. It's gonna be massive. They are gonna do that. So I don't want to leak when I want to send the content. I want to make sure that I'm not going to leak it here, but when I drop that content, please make sure you check it out because a lot of people think that Donald Trump will be the crypto messiah and crypto is gonna. But I'm gonna drop some content about it. Okay, yeah. Okay, so guys, this was an amazing session. Thank you guys for attending the our first live stream show. Honestly, so yeah. He said, "Do you think there could be a manipulation before and after inauguration?" Yeah, obviously there might be. There might the news was going to actually affect the market. Okay, maybe before they might have a little down, might have, but bro, long like as CZ always says, zoom out. I just zoomed out. We are bullish. So if you zoom out, you are bullish. So as an investor, are you bothered? Like for instance, now you buy one ETH, two ETH, three ETH, four ETH, 10, no matter any amount you can afford, and you have know that we are doing a 118% pump. You're not bothered about all the noise on 4 hours candlestick, 5 hours, 1 hour, and all that. We're not bothered about it. Yeah, we are recording. Oh, yeah. I have a this stream has its own playlist, so it's gonna have its own playlist so that our greatness will be the evidence will be everywhere. So so my our next live show, I just discovered some things. I on this show I discovered that when you're doing this live stream, trading view is kind of heavy, and trading view is not really does not really work smoothly with um with Chrome, right? It does not really work smoothly with Chrome. So I noticed that. So it's what is causing the hang in here, and all of this stuff. Give now till next week Monday. We're going to have our next live stream on YouTube. I'm going to fix it. Okay. Then secondly, tomorrow we'll have our live stream show. We'll have another live stream show tomorrow, but it's not going to be on YouTube. It's going to be a different topic on different stuff we're doing, and it's going to be on Telegram, on our Telegram channel. Okay, so please, if you're not on Telegram channel, join Telegram channel, pin our Telegram channel, turn on post notification on Telegram channel. We're going to achieve a whole lot. And for those of you that are not following me on YouTube here, please subscribe to this YouTube channel. Turn on post notification. I post a lot of valuable information. So yeah, thank you guys. See you in the next. Rather, see you in the community. Maybe later to them. I'm going to post something. Bye. Yeah, thanks, Big DC. Thanks. Yeah, thanks. So, obrigado. Thank you for attending. Okay. Bye, guys. Bye. 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 Bye.